Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams, the AreaPhase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi, and the Focusway dash cam front, rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Get ready for some serious automotive action. Alright, let's kick things off with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. The AreaPhase dash cam offers a 2K+1080P front and rear dual camera, capturing crystal clear footage from every angle. But wait, the Focusway dash cam steps it up a notch with a 4K Ultra HD resolution front camera and full HD 1080p rear camera. It's like watching a Hollywood blockbuster in your car. Now let's talk about connectivity. The AreaPhase dashcam comes with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an app for easy control and video sharing. You can even upload your epic road trip moments directly to social media with just a tap. On the other hand, the Focusway dashcam takes things up a gear with faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi and built-in GPS tracking. It's like having a personal navigator right on your dashboard. The night owls among us will appreciate this one. The AreaPhase dashcam boasts super night vision capabilities thanks to its advanced GCC-MOS sensor and wide dynamic range technology. It captures clear videos even in extreme dark scenarios. But hold on tight, because the Focusway dashcam takes night vision to a whole new level with its advanced Sony STAR-VIS sensor and f1.5 large aperture lens. You'll be able to spot license plates in the dark like a superhero. Now let's talk about parking mode. The AreaPhase dashcam automatically switches to parking mode when your car is parked, providing continuous protection. It even detects collisions and attempted theft. But wait, the Focusway dashcam takes it a step further with two parking modes. It can activate and record a 30-second emergency video when it detects a collision, or it can continue recording even after the engine is off with its time-lapse recording mode. Talk about 24/7 surveillance. Last but not least, let's discuss ease of use. The AreaPhase dashcam is compact and super easy to install. It goes virtually unnoticed behind your rearview mirror, ensuring it won't obstruct your vision while driving. And the Focusway dashcam? Well, it comes with a larger IPS HD screen that optimizes images and reproduces true scenes. Plus, it has smart voice control, so you can keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. And there you have it, folks. The AreaPhase dashcam and the Focusway dashcam battled it out, and both brought some serious firepower to the ring. Whether you prioritize video quality, connectivity, night vision, parking mode, or ease of use, these dash cams have got you covered. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest comparisons. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.